Happy day, everyone. This is Orekoya Olusegun, Physics Mathematics Fundamental on YouTube. Please, before we go into today's topic, do not forget to like, share, subscribe. Click on the notification button to have more of my video. Today, we are taking a topic under mathematics, and that topic is for us to understand certain concepts called monomial, binomial, trinomial, and polynomial. The essence of this introductory aspect is to have a solid foundation concerning the topic called polynomial. After this solid foundation, another video will cover addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division of polynomial functions. Thank you. Now, when we have something like this, like I said the other time, let's say 2x. This 2, like I said, this number 2 is called coefficient. Coefficient. And this particular x I have here is just variable term. Variable term. Variable in the sense that x can take any value. So the value of x changes. Like for instance, x can be -1, x can be 0, x can be 7, x can be any other number. So this particular x that I have here, because the value changes, it is called a variable. So this is a variable term. The whole of this 2x is just a single term, a single term, and this single term is called monomial. The word mono means one. So like in your biology, chemistry, you must have come across something like a monomial, like mono, like a bi, like di, and so on and so forth. So this mono simply means one. So monomial is an expression that has only one term. So definition: monomial is a mathematics expression having only one term. That's monomial. Now, binomial. The word bi in science means two. So this simply means loosely 2 times expression. 2 times expression. So like if I have something like a 2x plus, let's say I have a 5x. This is a term, this is another term. So this is a binomial. Like if I have a, let's say I have 5a plus 3b. What I have here is a term. What I have here is another term. So this is a binomial term. Now, another one is called trinomial. Trinomial, the word tri means 3. So loosely speaking, trinomial simply means 3 terms. Like if I have x squared plus 3x minus 1. This x squared is a term. This 3x is a term. This is 1 is another term. So this is more or less a trinomial. Example of a trinomial is quadratic equation that we have here. This is called quadratic equation. Quadratic equation is a trinomial because it has 3 terms. Now, this brings us to the concept of idea of term. A term is a mathematics expression that is separated from another term by operator plus or minus. Like for instance, let me say I have a square minus bx plus let's say 5y. This operator separates this term from this term. This operator plus separates this term bx from term 5y. That's the idea of term. So now this now bring us to polynomial. The idea of a polynomial. Polynomial. The word poly means many, as in polytechnics. Polytechnics simply means many techniques. So poly means many. So polynomial loosely means many terms. So that means we have more than one term. Now, in mathematics, generally, a polynomial is a mathematics expression that combines the terms in variable such as x, in variables such as x, as okay, in order of increasing or decreasing powers of the variable. So in this wise now, the variable we are considering is variable x. What do I mean by that is this. Let's say I have polynomial in terms of variable x. I can have something like x raised to power 4 minus 3x squared plus 5x minus 1. You can see that the highest power of x is 4 here. So the highest power in this example is 4 and is called the degree of the polynomial. So polynomial may have powers of x in n number of times. It can have power of x raised to power 20, can have power of x raised to power 40, but the power of x must be a positive integer. It must not be negative. What do I mean by that is this. The power of x must not be negative. Let me write it in a shorthand form. I have a x raised to power n, then n is equal to 0 to, let's say, up to this counter. Okay, let me count it as counter I. Counter I is equal to 0 to n. So in this case now, our n greater or equal to 0, and n must be elements of positive whole number, elements of a whole number. So if the sigma that I have here in mathematics is called summation. It's different from this symbol. This symbol here is called multiplication. I will explain what these two means later. So sigma, let's start with that sigma. What I have here now is I'm going to be counting this expression that I have here by summing it, and I'm going to be counting from 0 to n. So when my I is equal to 0, when my I is equal to 1, when my I is equal to 2, I'll be adding. This one say continue to add. This sigma is an operator giving us instruction to be adding whatever we have. So what I have here now, when my I is 0, I have a subscript 0, s raised to power 0. The sigma say add it to, when I is 1, you count to 1, that is a1 s raised to power 1, plus when I is 2, a2 s raised to power 2, plus when I is 3, a3 s raised to power 3. Then this will continue until when my I reaches n. So it's going to be an s raised to power n. So in mathematics, anything raised to power 0 is 1. So this one simply means a0 plus this one means a1. Power of 1 means we can leave it out. So x plus a2 s raised to power 2 plus a3 s raised to power 3 dot 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 an s raised to power n. This is an example of a polynomial. In this case now, the power of x is increasing. Here we are, the power of x is 0, 1, 2, 3, increasing up to n. So I can rearrange this thing in a decreasing power of x. So this polynomial can equally be written as an s raised to power n dot dot a3 s raised to power 3 plus, this is supposed to be plus, this is supposed to be plus here, plus this is supposed to be plus. So a2 s raised to power 2 plus a1, that is a1 s raised to power 1, then plus a0. So this is an example of a polynomial, and the highest power of the variable x here is n. So this is a polynomial in variable x with degree n. So this is what this polynomial is all about. In my next video, I'm going to perform operation addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division on polynomial. Once again, this is Orekoya Olusegun, Physics Mathematics Fundamentals on YouTube. Please share my video, like, and subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye.